I'm gonna show you the best way to figure out how much propane you got left in your propane bottles. People tell you a lot of things by looking at the sweat on the bottle when it's or use hot water, pour hot water on. But the best way is to weigh it. Especially like me, I got a food truck, so I need to know exactly how much I have left. So first, let's just look at this 20-pound bottle. If you look at it here on the top, you see that TW18. That's the tare weight. That's the weight of this bottle when it's empty. So it's 18 pounds. So it's on your bottle. So you look at the TW weight. That's the tare weight. That's how much your bottle weighs when it's empty. And this one also have one on it. So we're gonna weigh it and I'm gonna show you. Okay, we're gonna weigh this one first. And as you can see, it's 18.2 pounds. So it's almost empty. And if you wanna, and it's got a bleed off here, you could probably hear it. I'm gonna bleed it off. See, it's not that much pressure if you can hear it. Okay, let's weigh this other one. As you can see, it's 22 pounds. So let's bleed it off and just let you hear the pressure difference. And the reason why I'm making this video, because I had this particular bottle which actually stopped. And I think it's because my regulator had frozen up. I was running 2 deep fryers, so I thought it was empty. So I was gonna get ready to take it back until I weighed it. And it was 22 pounds. Okay, if this video helps, subscribe to my channel. And also in the description, I have places where you can purchase regulators and other things for your grill. Okay, thank you and have a great day.